In 1985, the city of Scottsdale established Scottsdale Public Art with the goal to enhance the quality of life for its residents and visitors.
From permanent installations to a year-long calendar of exhibitions, the Scottsdale Public Art scene is a must on your itinerary. We went with Wendy Raisanen, curator of collections at Scottsdale Arts, to visit some of the pieces in the city's outdoor gallery. Go say hi to Wendy.
Yeah. Hey, Wendy!
Hi, Wendy.
Hi.
So nice to meet you.
Welcome to Scottsdale.
This is so beautiful.
Yeah, we
I'm
love
ready
it.
to see some art. What about you, Bobby?
I've heard about some pieces. I heard Wendy has favorites.
Oh, they're all her favorites.
I do.
Okay, Wendy, this is cool. What's this?
What do you think to be on a bridge in Scottsdale?
Yeah,
Yeah,
this is the Solari Bridge and Plaza. So Paolo Solari, a visionary architect who is all about ecology and architecture. So he really draws on the sun, nature, and how your architecture interacts with nature.
Cool.
So basically what we're looking at, these two towers here, this is a sundial. And this
really?
stripe here is sort of the indicator. On summer solstice, it's really complicated to describe, but those two pillars are oriented directly to the sun on June 21st of any year. So no shadow will be cast at 12:30 on these pillars. And then in the winter, December 21st, there is a shadow that goes all the way, and
That's cool.
the two towers mimic this red stripe.
Wow.
Whoa, this is cool.
Yeah, this is our
Wendy.
sky space,
This is awesome.
right?
This is really cool.
So James Turrell is an Arizona artist, and he is all about framing the sky and the color of the sky. And when you sit in here, it can be a very, very meditative activity. On a cloudless day, the sky looks like it's just coming down inside the room. And the best times to view this are at dawn and at dusk, because that's when the sky and the color outside changes at dusk, and then at, like, say at midnight. You think the sky is black? It's actually this rich, beautiful, navy, dark blue, and it feels like a solid entity while you're in here.